So here are 7 ways of taking screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A56, and let's start with our classic one. So locate your power button, locate your volume down button, press them together, boom, we've made a screenshot. You can always find all of the screenshots in your gallery. Here they are. So the second way of doing screenshot is going to be through our quick settings panel. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, locate your take screenshot, take it, and that's it. Screenshot is made. If you don't see it right here, press on this pencil icon, tap edit, and add up your screenshot option. The next thing is through our swipes. So let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to advanced features. And here we are to locate motions and gestures. Great. Palm swipe to capture. Perfect. Make sure that it's activated. Now, if we're gonna swipe from one side to another with our palm, the screenshot is gonna be made, and let me show it to you. Just like this. Easy as that. Also, you could do a screenshot through your Edge panel. So open up your settings, display, locate your Edge panels, make sure that they're turned on. Panels, now choose your tasks. Great, now we can open up our Edge panel, press take screenshot, the screenshot is taken. The next option is Assistant. It can be Assistant, it can be Google Assistant or Bixby, doesn't matter. So simply say, hey Google, take a screenshot.
Sure, taking a screenshot.
Right, screenshot saved. You can find it in your gallery. The next thing is our Assistant menu. Let's open up our settings, scroll down to our accessibility, locate your interaction and Ditracity, find your Assistant menu, make sure to turn it on. Now tap select Assistant menu items and delete everything except for your screenshot. Now you can tap here and the screenshot is going to be made. Easy as that. Now let's talk about our scrolling screenshot. So open up settings, for example, anything which is long enough. Now tap on your screenshot and tap on this icon right here on the left side. Keep on tapping it. And as you see on this preview window, the more we tap, the more we capture. Now, if you're gonna open up our gallery, what will we see here? The full page. And basically, that's it. That's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.